Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicle stick ninja stars. First, gather your materials. You'll need 8 flat craft sticks, often called popsicle sticks, for each star. Also, have a strong adhesive ready, such as super glue or hot glue, to secure your creation. A ruler and pencil will help with precise measurements, and don't forget paint or markers if you want to customize your star later. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare your sticks. Take 1 craft stick and mark its center point, which is typically at 2 1/4 inches. Carefully fold the stick at this mark, creating a distinct V-shape. It's important that all your folds are consistent to ensure your ninja star is perfectly symmetrical. Repeat this exact folding process for all 8 of your craft sticks. This forms the basic units for your star. With your folded sticks ready, it's time to assemble the star. Take 2 folded sticks and interlock them by sliding one into the other, forming a small X. Continue adding the remaining sticks, carefully interlocking each new piece into the growing structure. You'll want to form a circular pattern, ensuring each new stick helps secure the previous one. Maintain even spacing as you build the star's distinct shape. To complete your ninja star, apply a small amount of strong adhesive to each connection point. This will ensure your star holds together firmly. Allow the glue to dry completely, which might take a few minutes depending on the type you used. Once dry, you can personalize your star. Use paint, markers, or even glitter to add your unique touch. Consider making several stars in various colors for a cool collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.